Hey, welcome back, intermediate algebra students. So your next con is called compare quadratic functions. Basically, they are going to give you an equation in some format. They may give it to you in factored form, they may give it to you in vertex form, they may give it to you in standard form like this one is. And then they're also going to give you a graph. And you need to just simply answer the question comparing the f function, which is the equation, and the g function, which is the graph. Okay? In this case, they want to know which one has the greater y-intercept. Well, the y-intercept in this one is 1. So f has a y-intercept of 1, and the y-intercept for the g function is 4. So you'll notice that the g function has a greater y-intercept than the f function. So that's your answer. We're just doing what they're asking for. Okay, here comes another one. This one is also in standard form. Here's our f function right here. Here's our g function right here. And they're asking how many roots do they have in common? Remember, roots means your x-intercepts right here. So this one has x-intercepts of 2 and 5, which means this one you would need to factor out. If you factor this one out, it becomes x minus 5, x plus 1. And then if you do your zero property product with that, you would know that your x-intercepts would be negative 1 and positive 5. So negative 1 would be one of the two x-intercepts for the f function, and positive 5 would be the other one. So you would notice that the two graphs share one root in common, but not two. So let's see, A share both, no. B, they share one, but not the other. That is correct. And C, they don't share any. Yep, they share one. So it would be letter B for this one. All right, so that's a roots question. Let's do one more here. Here is our equation for function f. Here's our graph for function g. And they want to know, do these functions have the same concavity? Okay, concavity, just so you know, this one has a concavity that opens down. Okay, if it was going the opposite way, it would have a concave that opens up. Now, obviously, when a graph is there, it's easy to tell which way it concaves. When it's in this equation, you simply need to look at the number or the coefficient in front of the x squared term. If it is a positive number like this one is, then it has an upward concavity. If it has a negative in front of that x squared, it would have a downward concavity. So because this one's positive, this one will open up while this one opens down. So f is up and g is down. So let's see here. A, both are down. Nope. Letter B, both are down. Nope. Letter C, F is concave up. Yes, that's correct. G is concave down. That's correct. And letter D, concave, F is down. No, it's actually the opposite, and G is up. So that's the opposite of both of them. So letter C. That's all you're doing in this one, guys. Good luck. I will see you at Google Hangouts. Bye-bye.